Welcome back everyone. So I finally got a chance to finish part 2 of the master low soy sauce. So we're going to be making low soy quails and low soy pig's ear today. You will need to purchase 1 pair of pig's ears and 6 quails. The trickiest part is removing all the fine hair off of the pig's ears. Dad is helping me with this process. Rinse it with hot water and scrape off any fine hair that you find on the pig. You will need to repeat this for the other ear. Now this part here has a lot of fine hair to scrape off. Next, rinse all the quail clean inside and out. We will be blanching the pig ears and the quail. Add it to the pot, bring the water to a boil, and then rinse the quail and the pig's ear under cool water. Be sure to double check the pig's ear and scrape off any remaining fine hair that you might find. If you've never had pig's ear, you're in for a treat. It has cartilage, so it's crunchy. Also, it's covered with skin, so when you braise it, it becomes soft and gel-like. Dad has spent a lot of time and effort scraping off the fine hair off the pig's ears. This is such a delicacy and such a treat to have. We do not eat this often, so we do not prepare it often, but when we do, we really enjoy it. You're going to heat up your master dipping sauce and add the pig's ear and the quail in, bring it to a boil, and then cover, turn it on to low, and let it sit and soak in all that beautiful sauce. After about 10 minutes, check the quail. It needs to be removed first as it cooks much faster than the pig's ears, and you don't want to overcook the quail as it becomes really tough. Remember, this is why it's called the master dipping sauce. The more things you dip in it, the more flavorful it becomes. If you've already watched part 1 of my master low soy sauce dipping sauce recipe, you know that I've been dipping chicken in it already. I've also dipped beef loin, eggs, tofu. There's just so many things that you can use this master low soy dipping sauce for. Slice the pig's ears into strips. You can tell it's cooked by the color and texture of the pig's ears. Notice how beautiful and rich that low soy sauce has made the pig's ears. To really bring out the flavor, drizzle some sesame oil on top of the pig's ears. Ready to make your own dipping sauce? You will need 1 bottle of 5-spice marinade, 1 bottle of light soy sauce, and 1 cup of sugar. Add the 5-spice sauce to the pot. Add the light soy sauce to the pot. Add 1 cup of sugar to the pot. Add 3 cups of water and bring the water to a boil. Add 3 more cups of water, stir, and then this is a great time to taste your sauce. If it's too strong, add 1 more cup of water. I've made low soy chicken, low soy duck, low soy pig stomach, low soy eggs, low soy tofu, low soy beef loin, which I absolutely love, low soy pork shoulder, soft, yummy, delicious meat, fall off the bone. My dad made this and it was so good. If you would like to see more of these recipes, please leave me a comment below and let me know. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.